Welcome back to the part 3 video of chapter 4, Climate of India. In that, we are going to learn about global warming and climate change. That is the topic that we are going to discuss in this video. We have already learned that the earth started to take shape from a fiery ball to planet. Many gases were released. These gases did not escape into outer space because of the Earth's gravitational pull. It still holds them back. Here a small video presentation of that one. You can see how the Earth was formed and several phases the Earth has gone through to have a shape that the Earth has now in these days. Now let us have a look at the ozone layer. Here in this picture you can see this is the ozone layer. And ozone is a pale blue gas composed of 3 oxygen atoms bonded together. It occurs naturally high up in the Earth's atmosphere, where it protects the surface from harmful ultraviolet rays from sun. Now let us see what is greenhouse effect. It is the main reason for the global warming. Global warming increases of Earth's average surface temperature due to the effect of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide emissions from burning fossil fuels and or from deforestation, which trap heat that would otherwise escape from Earth. The atmosphere traps a lot of solar energy that reaches Earth by preventing it from totally escaping back into space. This is called global warming. This is important and vital for life to survive on this planet. If it did not have, Earth would have been very cold. However, since the 19th century, the planet has been warming up very rapidly. As you know, the Earth has been going through many cycles of warming and cooling, in fact freezing. So what is so special about it now? Yes, earlier cycles of cooling and warming happened very long periods of time. This allowed much of life on Earth the time to adapt to the changes. The problem now is that the heating is much more rapid and could lead to catastrophic changes. Mainly, these are caused by human beings' activities. Much of the warming that has been occurring since the Industrial Revolution and is because of human activities. Hence, the current global warming trend is called AGW, that is anthropogenic global warming. Anthropogenic means caused by humans. More recently, scientists are discovering large volumes of methane under the frozen tundras of far northern latitudes, that is in northern Russia, and global temperature increases, the ice in the tundra melts, and the methane that is trapped under the ice escapes, which causes for the increase in the global temperature further. Methane is said to be more powerful than carbon dioxide as a greenhouse gas. Now let us have a look at the AGW and its impact on climate change. AGW is causing many changes in the distribution of the heat in the Earth system. Look at this picture. In 1981-1990 it was only -1, but it increased to +5 in 2011-2020. Due to lack of time, I could not voice over all the video, so the matter is provided in each and every slide clearly. Just read that word, pause the video and note down what are the important points and then learn it. And if you have any doubts, please comment. Hope you understood this session very well. Thank you for watching this video presentation.